Welcome to my channel Mavrish Bhatti. In this video you will learn about branches of microbiology. So let's start our today's video. Before we start to learn about branches of microbiology, it's very necessary we have to knowledge about microbiology. Okay? So micro means small, bio means life, and logy is derived from logos, that means study. Simply, we can say that microbiology is a study of very small organism. Okay, we also can say that microbiology is a study of structure, physiology, metabolism, classification, and reproduction of very small organism or tiny organism, which cannot see with our naked eyes, but we can see them with the help of an instrument that is known as microscope, and that type of study is known as microbiology. Now you think that how we study the structure of microorganism. Basically, in the structure of microorganism we study either which type of microorganism contain which structure. Either the microorganism contains cell wall or not, either they contain plasmid or not, either they contain nucleus or not, either which type of microorganism contain a ribosome or not. So it depends upon the nature of microorganism which type of microorganism contain which structure. And second, that is a physiology. In physiology we study the normal function of microorganism and its part, either how microorganism normally perform function. Then metabolism. In metabolism we study microorganisms obtain their energy and nutrition for their survivance and for their life and to reproduce. Then classification. In classification we study orderly arrangement of microorganism into groups. And in reproduction we study either microorganism reproduce by sexually or asexually. So this was all basic about the microbiology. And now the branches of microbiology. In branches of microbiology there are two main branches of microbiology. One is the pure microbiology and second is the applied microbiology. Now let's discuss more about pure microbiology. Pure microbiology is a study of specific microorganism. Okay, we can also say that study of microorganisms separately. Now how we study microorganisms separately? If suppose I am interested to study about fungi, so I will only study about fungi, their structure, their reproduction, their classification, their physiology, their size. Means I will only study single type of microorganism. That's why I can say that it is included in pure microbiology. Here are some examples like fungi, bacteria, algae, protozoa, and virus. The study of fungi is known as mycology. The study of bacteria is known as bacteriology, in which we only study the bacteria. The study of algae is known as phycology. The other name for phycology is also algology. Then protozoa, the study of protozoa is known as protozoology, in which we only study about protozoa, and the study of virus is known as virology, in which we only study about viruses. Then applied microbiology. Applied microbiology is a branch of microbiology in which we study the importance of microorganism in industrial and agricultural field. Okay, then microbiologists study about the valuable product that produced by our target microorganism. Okay, the microorganism produce valuable product that are produced in industrial and agricultural field. So in this study, means in applied microbiology we only study the valuable product that are produced by microorganisms in industrial and agricultural field. Then the branches of pure microbiology. These all are the branches of pure microbiology, like bacteriology, like cellular microbiology, immunology, mycology, microbial cytology, microbial genetics, molecular microbiology, nematology, phycology, protozoology, parasitology, phylogeny, virology, astromicrobiology, nanomicrobiology, predictive microbiology, systems microbiology, and evolutionary microbiology. And now these all are the branches of applied microbiology. One, aeromicrobiology, agricultural microbiology, environmental microbiology, food microbiology, industrial microbiology, medical microbiology, microbial biotechnology, pharmaceutical microbiology, water microbiology, and veterinary microbiology. So these all are the branches of applied microbiology. So this was all about the branches of microbiology. In my coming video, I will make my second video on pure microbiology and applied microbiology. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.